Now I understand why Pammy says it takes long to set up the YouTube link. I'm just doing it as we speak. Welcome to another day.
Now I understand why Pammy says it takes long
trading
to set up
psychology.
the YouTube link. I'm just doing it as we speak.
I'm hearing my voice echoing. All right, that should be better. Right.
Welcome to another. Now I understand why Pammy says it takes long
trading
to set up
psychology.
the YouTube link. I'm just doing it as we speak.
1 second, guys. I'm hearing myself. I'm hearing my voice echoing. All right, that should be better. Right.
Welcome to another. Now I understand why Pammy says it takes long
trading
to set up
psychology.
the YouTube link. I'm just doing it as we speak.
1 second, guys. I'm hearing myself. I'm hearing my voice echoing.
All right, that should be better. Right.
Wow. This is why they call me uncle. Oh, guys, I hope everyone that's watched the recording is watching the recording back. You just see me just go through growth. All right, I've just, because Pammy's driving, I've just done the YouTube live stream and I just heard myself speaking, but I've just worked out what to do. All right, so I'm excited. I did it, guys. Celebrate me. Uncle has conquered something there. Platinum 7. Let's grow. I'm learning. Right, let me not be before you too long. Let me get straight to the point. Let me give you guys some value. Guys, my name is Kofi Ejiman. I'm a Platinum 5000 in I Am Mastery Academy. I'm here to give you guys service. I'm here to love on you guys. I'm here to just talk about trading psychology and also give you some nuggets of what I've been able to do on my journey as a trader and what things I've learned. And today's topic is called diversification. Okay, diversification. Let me ask questions to the group. What is diversification? Someone give me an understanding or their understanding of diversification. Just write in a group chat and I might ask you guys a few questions, but what is diversification to your understanding and to your knowledge? Let me know. Let me see some responses in the group chat. Diversification in the broadest sense of the term. Okay, Sassy says variety. Love that. Love that, variety. Let me see what you guys are saying. Okay, Gaelic says, eggs in different baskets, exploring. Okay, I love that. Gail says, expansion. Okay. Ooh, Dan says this, spreading the risk. Dan, I love that, spreading the risk. All right, Dan, are you able to unmute? I want to ask you, and I also want to ask you, Dan, yeah, I want you to explain that.
Hey, Kof. Hey, everybody.
How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Well, maybe I just want to look at it from a trading perspective. But I know you're talking about diversification in the broader sense. But here in the case, let's say you're trading, you wouldn't want to put all your risk into one portfolio. You want to have multiple portfolios. Let's say you trade gold, you trade Bitcoin, you trade Forex. So you're literally just spreading your risk so that everything doesn't crash on you if one activity crashes.
Wow, I love that. Can we just celebrate Dan for that amazing answer? Let's give him some fire emojis. Thank you so much, Dan,
Thanks.
for sharing your knowledge. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. I'm really excited. I'm really excited for that. Let me go through other people's comments. Denise says, taking advantage of the opportunities available to you. Love that, Denise. Lorraine says, variation and expansion. Love that. Okay, guys, everyone's comments have been amazing. Sassy says variety. Okay, Sassy is a perfect example of diversification because Sassy is doing something that we've all just jumped onto. Okay, I'm saying all, maybe it's just me who's always late. I've just jumped onto something That's diversifying my portfolio. So in the group chat, what do you think I'm now jumping onto that's diversifying my portfolio in regards to trading? Lorraine, thank you, Joy. They're saying crypto. Sassy's saying DCX. Joy saying crypto. Denise is saying DCX. Yes, DCX is what I want to talk about. And I want us to get to a place where, Josh says crypto as well, we're diversifying what we know. Dan said it perfectly. You don't, and who else said it perfectly? I think it was a Gaelic. A Gaelic says eggs in different baskets. Eggs in different baskets. You want to make sure you have a portfolio. Guys, write this down. Natasha's being very smart. She went ETH and BTC. Oh, I've got Ethereum and I've got Bitcoin. I'm doing well. Okay. Everyone in the group chat, write the word portfolio. I want you to write the words portfolio. What I've started to understand and what I've started to learn and grow into is becoming an investor. So please write the word investor. I'm trying to help someone here. My key words is I've grown and I'm becoming. I've grown into understanding we have to diversify our investments. We've got to diversify our portfolios. I'm telling you today, take charge of your portfolio. Take charge of who you are and who you're going to become. You are actually a risk manager. Sassy says something really, first of all, write this down before I read out what Sassy said. You are a risk manager. You need to understand that. Every single person on this call, if you are trading, you are a risk manager. You deal with risk. You like, please don't like, I'm a trader. No, you are a risk manager. You manage risk. You have to understand that what we're doing involves risk, but you are managing that. Some of you right now feel lost. Some of you feel bewildered because you don't understand who you are. You're not understanding you are a manager. Listen to what I'm saying to you. You, who I'm talking to, you are a manager and you are managing risk. I'm hoping that if you're losing your trades, you're not just thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, like this stuff is not working, this trading stuff is not working. It is working. You just haven't identified yourself of who you really are within this forum. Because once you understand you're a manager and that you're managing risk, your whole life is going to change. Your whole life is going to change in regards to the world of trading and assets and portfolios, because you're going to understand you are managing to look after, to increase. You're managing risk. Now you understand, right, what I'm doing involves risk, therefore I have to get my management principles intact, so in order to properly manage my risk. Point number 7, if this is the first time you've heard the word risk manager and it relating to what you're doing. Okay. Write this down, guys. For you to become wealthy, write this down. For you to become wealthy, it's not how much money you make. It's how much money you keep. Mic drop. Haven't got a mic, so I've got a pen. Write that down. You to become wealthy, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. You got revelation from that. Listen, I don't care what type of trade you win. Just show me your trading account at the end of the month. No, Gaelic. You says and how much you manage to multiply. What I'm trying to say, for you to become wealthy, there's no point multiplying your money, but if you can't keep it. Does that make sense? There's no point multiplying, and yet it's like a sieve. This is your hand. Look at my hand, open. It's open. There's no point multiplying that money, but then when it comes to you, it just sifts through. Okay. So again, the secret to becoming wealthy is understanding how to keep the money that you've multiplied, the money that you've grown. If that makes sense to you, put a number 4 so I understand that you understand. Because what I want you to begin to do is start to think about how much money has gone through your hands. How much money has gone, because this is why I couldn't care less how much money you make. You could be a 6-figure earner and still broke. A millionaire and still broke. Yes or yes? I'm talking to somebody. You can be on minimum wage and have more money than a 6-figure earner. Oh, guys, I'm helping someone today. And let me tell you why. Everything that I talk about is what I personally experienced. And I've had to grow, remember I said grow and to become, I've had to grow and to become someone who's now financially responsible. Money and title doesn't mean anything. Assets do. Ooh, I'm dropping something today. Money and title doesn't mean anything, dude. Anything. Assets do. If I come to your house and you show me I've made this amount of money, and then you show me your expenditures or your outgoings, and then I see your liabilities, then what have you done for me lately? What have you done for me lately? Dum, 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 dum. Ooh, yeah. Literally, what have you done for me lately? If you've got all this money, yet your assets are minimal and your liabilities are big. This world of trading should really rock you and encourage you to be someone completely different. This world of trading should really show you how much money you don't have, or how much how financially illiterate you are. Who am I talking to, or am I just talking to myself? Because for me, I'll hold my hands up. This trading game has shown me how bad my financial literacy was. I was talking to someone the other day, and I was saying to them, when I was, I was in the West End, when I was doing musicals, I was making a lot of money. And I said, but where is it now? Guys, I did a movie. A UK national movie. I made a lot of money. Look at this emoji. Who knows about this emoji? Where is it now? Guys, I'm trying to help someone today. Listen, when I was leaving, Jessica Walker's doing the same thing. When I was leaving, one guy when I was doing Thriller, the musical, one of the dancers, I think it was the last 3 weeks, started talking about ISAs and post office this and bonds and stocks. And I was like, what? He's telling me the last 3 weeks of my contract, I was there for 3.5 years. I made a lot of money, guys. 8 shows a week in the West End, dancing, getting paid a lot. In the last 3 weeks, he then wants to tell me about ISAs and bonds and stocks. Do you know why? Because he had already been doing it. Diversification. So I'm a dancer, he's a dancer, yet he was a good risk manager. He was someone that was productive and constructive, and he was putting his money into different things. I'm challenging everyone on this call. Are you putting your money into different things? Are you diversifying your portfolio? Are you diversifying your income? Guys, you guys have been awfully quiet. You guys getting some revelation from this? Are you getting some nuggets? Let me know. Just say, yeah, nah. Jessica Walker's like, I'm shook. Just saying, learning a new way of spending. Amazing. Yeah, guys, just give me something, because I'm like, are they getting it? Am I going too fast? Is it over their head? Am I not making sense? Oh, Joy's like reflection mode. Okay, cool. I'm doing my job. I'm doing my job then. Okay, cool. Because I really wanted to make sure. Our flavors are on point. Taking notes. Okay, guys, thank you. All right, cool. I really wanted to make sure. Okay, Jessica Walker says, Batman for 8 months. Trading was paying for my mortgage, but all that money went to credit card. Wow. Jessica Walker did Batman, the movie, for 8 months. Trading, her trading was paying for her mortgage, but all that money went to credit card. Like a sieve. All right, let's deep this. Let's deep this. I'm gonna share my screen. Look at this. Hope you guys are getting value. I want to make sure y'all getting value out here. Let me go here. You can see myself. This is crazy. Look at this. Can you guys see diversification? In the group chat, just say yes. They should be able to see it. The word diversification. All right, cool. Thank you. Diversification is a noun. The action, so you got to do something. You have to do something. The action of diversifying something, or the fact of becoming, remember what I said, grow and to become more diverse. The action, so you got to do something. Listen to me after this call, do something. The action of diversifying something like money, or the fact of becoming more diverse. Okay, number 2, the process. Woo! Remember I said to become or to grow. You guys are growing on this call. I'm also growing. The process of a business enlarging or varying its range of products or field of operation. The process of a business. Now, you need to understand, I need to understand, you are a walking business. Please, someone needs to hear this today. You, who I'm talking to, you are a walking business. You need to see trading as like a business. You are a business. You are a professional risk manager. That's who you are. Okay, you are a professional risk manager. Now, please take that title. Please receive that title, that you are a professional risk manager. Therefore, you treat this like a business. P&L, that's it, profits and losses. You have to understand it's a business. Equity curves, you've got to understand your trading might do this and then do a pullback and then do this and then do a bit of a pullback and then keep going up. Equity curve, see it like a business. You, who I'm talking to, who I'm pointing to, you are a business. You are a professional risk manager. Therefore, you have to diversify your investments, diversify your portfolios. So Dan, at the beginning of this conversation, he said, trade gold. If you are a gold trader, put number 7 in the group chat. Let me see any gold traders. Let me see any gold traders. Okay, Sassy's like, I like gold. Miss Jackie, I know about you. Miss Jackie's killing it with gold. Okay, let me ask a question. Put number 5 if you are a silver trader. If you trade silver. Sassy said once. Okay. Miss Jackie says, okay, Flavia, okay. Let me ask you, is anyone here, does anyone trade DAX? Jessica Walker, DAX pays. Guys, are you understanding? You are that in itself, you're diversifying your portfolio because you're not just sticking to Forex. Has anyone ever traded US 30? Okay, you're diversifying your portfolio. Has anyone ever traded S&P 500? Talk to me, guys. I see Sassy, yeah. Joss, yes. Joss is once. Sassy, yes. Okay. Again, he says, yup. SPX and Naz are my babes. Guys, in the group chat, tell me some more. Tell me some more of how we as traders, or tell me some other categories. Go on. I've got a whole bunch in my head, but you tell me, what other categories have you guys traded? Let me see. I've got a few in my head, but I'm waiting for you guys to see, to show me what ones you guys have traded. Okay. Yes, loving, I'm going to touch on crypto. Wow. Jackie does sugar and cotton. Ah, sugar and cotton. That's diversifying your portfolio. Karina says cryptos, which I'm going to talk about, oils and alts. Okay, and I'm going to ask a question. Some people can identify the differences between Forex and commodities, Forex and stocks. Certain things move in certain ways, yes or yes. For example, I know DAX moves in a certain way. Who can agree with me? Yeah, DAX moves in a certain way. Once you understand DAX and the patterns, you can really begin to understand it and trade it. Just says yes, fast. But who also understands you can also diversify your portfolio with different currency pairs. Me, I do not trade GU, GBP, USD. No, no way. Me and GU, we're not friends. Yeah, we're not friends. Now, let me ask you guys a question. Who believes GBP USD moves the same way as NZD-JPY? Who believes that? Nope. You see that? Can you see they're both in the foreign exchange market, yet they move slightly different? Sassy says, I don't like NZD pairs. Completely fine. Me, I love it. Guys, can I just be excited for a minute? Can I just show you my trade? I'm still in it, and I bet Jackie's still in it as well. Okay, let me just share my screen. I'm still in this trade. It's gone over 200 pips. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Who's happy for me? It's a bit of a mess. It's in the 4-hour chart. but it's my mess. Let me clear some of this thing. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is where I got in. You know, I got in here. If I get rid of all this stuff, let me get rid of this tin and get rid of this tin. Look where I got in, guys. I'm still holding 215 pips. This is 4 hour, by the way. Look at this. Look at this. I'm now, remember, this is my entry. My stop loss was 11 pips. It's 1 to 18 so far. Look, 1 to 18. And if I show you on the 15 minute, it's a Mazza. Look at this. Uncle K's been in there for a long time from here. And I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade and I've taken multiple entries. 215 pips. Remember I did the thing called HODL, hold on to dear life. Oh, Sassy says, have you been taking profits? Yep. I've taken a whole bag of profits. Why? Because I'm starting to understand the bigger picture. Here, listen to what I'm saying, guys. And I'm hoping I'm inspiring someone. I'm starting to understand the bigger picture. The bigger picture is that I've got to begin to diversify my portfolio. There's certain things I will not trade. There's certain instruments that I will trade. But I need to make sure, as Dan said, and as Gaelic said, and as Sassy said, you do not put all your eggs in one basket, because if the NZD, JPY was to crash, you know, markets have crashed before. What would I do? Another way, guys, and I want to encourage every single person right now, the wave I'm on and what's opened my eyes is crypto. Because I said at the beginning the word investor. If you begin to see your title change, your mindset change, see yourself as not only a professional risk manager, but also as an investor. Now, I want to go back up to Sassy's comment. Look at what Sassy said. And this is why our platform is amazing. Don't ever get too big for your boots, yeah? I'm learning every day from DCX. Plug into DCX. Where's Sassy's comment? Let me see where Sassy's comment was. Okay, Sassy said, DCX gives you MT4 income, portfolio income, and residuals. Jeez! Sassy, I have to bring you on to explain that. That was a deep one. I need you to unmute your mic to explain MT4 income, portfolio income, and residuals. Talk to me.
Hey, morning all.
Morning.
Yeah, well, MetaTrader 4 obviously is the leverage trading that we're all used to when we're doing Forex trading. And the portfolio side is the ones where people are just buying coins. And if they're following Curtis and Mike, their portfolio should be, you know, looking nice. And then obviously as you're building, you're getting your residuals regardless of if your team has a DCX package or not. But I would always recommend that they do it or do it as an add-on. So yeah, it's 3 streams of income straight away. Plus, we're not even including staking. We're not including the yield farming. You know, those are all, I think with DCX, you've probably got your 7 sources of income straight away.
Wow. Guys, can we just celebrate Sassy for her wealth of knowledge? Like, can we just thank you, Sassy, so much? Can we just celebrate Sassy for her wealth of knowledge? Can we celebrate Sassy for taking that massive leap of jump? Wait, also, can we just shout out to Sassy? It was her birthday the other day. Like, let's celebrate Queen Sassy, but also celebrate her birthday. Let's just give her some love. Oh, Pammy's piped up. NFTs pay residuals too. Right, I'm going to share my screen. Let me go to... We love you, Sass. Look what it says. Write this down, please. Write this down. Ecclesiastes 11, verses 1 to 2. It says, what a wise person does. Guys, can you see this, by the way? Put a number 1 if you can see this. Okay, cool. It says, listen to this. Listen. Invest your money in foreign trade. This is the Bible. This is the good book, right? Before we was even born, over 2,000 years ago. Probably this might even be 4,000 years ago. This one was written. 4,000 years ago, this passage was written. Invest your money in foreign trade, and one of these days you will make a profit. Then it says, put your investments in several places, diversification, many places even, because you never know what kind of bad luck you're going to have in this world. I'm gonna preach to some of y'all. This is not me talking. This is wisdom talking. This is written 4,000 years ago, 3,000 years ago, perhaps. Yeah? Yeah, Sassy's like, faith and finance is due. It's coming, it's coming. Again, this is what it says. What a wise person does. Invest your money in foreign trade, Forex. That's one of them. And one of these days, if you're consistent, you're going to make a profit. Then it says, verse 2, put your investments in several places. Many places even, because you never know what kind of bad luck you're going to have. Guys, who just got value from that? Like, literally, who just got value from that, please? Someone tell me, please. Who just got value from that? And this is what wisdom does. Guys, I'm trying to help you here. Wisdom invests in different places. You have to diversify. You need to have multiple streams of income. You need to have multiple streams of income. Do not put your eggs in one basket. I'm talking to some of y'all. I'm talking to myself too. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Who's with me in that? Who's now starting to understand? Who's now starting to understand? Do not put all your eggs in one basket. If you've only got a job, do something else. Literally, I've been studying and following some of the great people, the great entrepreneurs of this time, and they're all saying the same thing. And I'm trying to really believe it, because I know it, but I need to believe it in my heart. You need to know it and believe it in your heart. Get multiple sources of income. Who can see this? Who can see the panel? Who can see the panel right now? The panel of Go Live educators. Is that diversified or is that diversified? I'm talking to some of y'all. Because look at it, HFX, DCX, HFX, Swipecoin and FRX. She's come back. Kimberly Torres has come back. That's diversification. HFX. I know Jackie loves this. Jackie is a long-term trader like me, like a swing trader. Oh my gosh, I said like me. Guys, have I now become a swing trader? Oh, I think I've just become so chilled and relaxed with my trading. Guys, let me know in the group chat, have I become a swing trader? I've just been holding on to this one trade. I don't know what I am. I'm intraday plus swing, but just let me know, because I just said it off the tip of my tongue. Right. So Jackie Harrikis loves long-term, because she told me about NZDJPY. When I said it, she was like, right, I was in it from 2 months ago. Okay. And she's waiting for it to drop. So Jackie's a long-term swing trader. However, she loves her HFX. HFX in and out the bag. In and out, 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 in and out of the bag. Then we got DCX. This is everyone's bay right now. Listen to Sassy, listen to Pammy. Listen, get yourself on DCX. In the group chat, write this down. I must get DCX. I must get DCX. Sassy also says there's diversification for trading styles also. Yes. Colors, steady, harmonics, price trap. There's different variations of how to trade. You know, D-Lo. Lorraine says, I must get DCX. Look, let's have a look at these guys. I really want you to understand we're in a world right now, guys, that we're gonna have so much information, so much education. Okay, let's just have a quick look at one of these videos. Okay, just a few minutes, but I want you to see the value.
Give me 1 second. Let me make sure we're good.
Look at the knowledge.
Really important, really, really big deal. I know some people are like, man, this is a lot already. This is the second slide, the third slide. I'm already confused. Don't be confused. just stick around for the conversation. I know over time, this will become much more simplistic and much more straightforward for you guys. But I really want you guys to understand that this is really one of those scenarios where you're going to have to be around this a lot more to really understand it totally, right? Now, the next thing I want to talk about is fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens. All right. Now, because there's a lot of different types of tokens, you're going to hear different things about stable coins, layer ones, layer twos, right? So fungibility is the property of an asset to be interchangeable, right, for another of the same kind, right? Hence, fungible tokens are the ones that have the same value that can be replaced with each other, right? Gold can be example of fungible asset because it, its valuation remains the same across countries, right? Gold's going to be the same price per ounce no matter where you go in the world. Right. Same thing. Wherever you go in the world, Ethereum tokens are going to be the same price no matter where you go. Right. That currency's value is going to fluctuate. Wherever nation's currency is going to fluctuate. But the value of ETH will be that. One ETH will always be one ETH. Same thing with Bitcoin. Right. Now, non-fungible tokens, which everybody here should know about by now, because we've all heard about NFTs. This is what the whole NFT stands for, non-fungible tokens. Right. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, on the other hand, are unique and don't have the same value. This is why you can have something like a CryptoPunk, and every single CryptoPunk has a different value. All right. Very, very important. Now, with the tokenization of assets as artwork, furniture and real estate, NFTs are basically physical times held digital, right? So you think about it where if you wanted to get a movie ticket, right, there's only going to be one of that movie ticket. There's not going to be 45 of the same seat that you're going to sit in. Or if you go to the opera, you're not going to be able to take that ticket and cut it in half, and now you guys can share the seat. I wish it worked that way, but it doesn't, right? All right, so this new revolution of digital ownership, right, has made NFTs very popular in recent years, with some beginning to...
Guys, who just got value from that? Who just got value? What you just heard. Guys, as I wrap up this call, I really hope you've taken away the power of diversifying your portfolio. I'm really hoping you've got to see the power of just DCX alone. Fungible tokens, non-fungible tokens, understanding the crypto assets, because we want assets, not liabilities. I hope you can understand that we are living in a world where, as a trader, you are a professional risk manager. And I also hope you can understand that you have to grow and to become a person who's going to manage your finances well. I hope you've understood. Actually, let me not say any more. What have you understood about the word diversification? Just drop one line to tell me and show me what you have understood or taken from today's call. Let me see. Let me see, y'all. I'm bopping to a beat in my head. All right, Siobhan says best tag team at the moment. Let's go, Matsutero and CK, Curtis Coupé. Sassy says risk management is our job. Yes. Lorraine says don't put your eggs in one basket and spread the risk and learning knowledge. Guys, don't ever get too big for your boots. Keep learning. Yeah, Gail says don't put all your eggs in one basket. I love that. Josh says learn more about what's available to you. Brother Nat says, diversify. Natasha says, I make a lot of money, but am I keeping? Ooh, I make a lot of money, but am I keeping it? And what do I have to show for my increase? Wow, Natasha. Francis says, it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Love that. Joy says, some of you feel lost because you don't understand who you are to spread your risk. I love that from Christiana. Guys, I hope you guys got value. Thank you so much. Siobhan says, I need to spread my eggs more. I thought I was, but still have a lot of room to grow. Love that. When did you stop being hungry? That's from a Gaelic. I think that's from the video. I'm later keeping it. Flavia says, be willing to invest in a variety of different industries in order to reduce the risk. Love that. And Pastor Henry says, thank you, sir. Guys, I'm so honored and grateful that you guys got value. Please watch the recording if you didn't get to catch all of it, but just understand we need to diversify. We need to understand we're professional risk managers. We need to become and grow. We need to understand, we need to learn about these industries and get DCX, because crypto is our bay right now. Denise says, I feel confident that I'm doing the right thing now. Thank you, Kofi. God bless you all. Thank you, Sassy. Guys, everyone that chipped in today, Dan, Sassy, Agailiki, everyone that dropped comments and love, guys, thank you for being vocal and thank you for enabling us as a community to grow. Because you guys are teaching me stuff as well. All right, I'm being taught as well. So let us get to that place. Remember, the vision for me next year is that I want six-figure earners. I want us to be six-figure traders, but also six-figure earners in general. I want us to say we came from this and now we got to this, and we all can have, yeah, I got crypto, I got Bitcoin about 4 years ago. I got Ethereum. You guys are late. I got whatever new coin out, whatever altcoin there is, yeah, oil. I trade oil. DAX. Come on. I've got a DAX portfolio. GBP USD. Never. But gold, yes. Oh, guys, I love you. I love you. Guys, you're free to leave. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great evening. Great evening, great day. God bless. I will see you next week. Yeah, I don't think there's any more announcements. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great one. Take care and God bless.